Hi and welcome, it's Megan here. Today I'm going to be making a what I eat in a day video. So I'm just gonna take you guys around with me throughout the day, show you what I eat, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, snacks, all that stuff. I'm gonna try to make this a somewhat healthy day in my life where I'm eating, but we'll see how it goes, okay? But yeah, if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. So let's get into it. First, we're gonna do breakfast, and I am eating breakfast kind of late. It's like 11 o'clock. But first we're gonna do breakfast, and I'm going to be making a smoothie. Yay. I'm really excited because I've recently been using a new product and I'm really enjoying it so far. I've been using it for about a week now, and it is the Teamy Greens Superfood blend. It has like matcha, spirulina, wheatgrass, 16 superfoods. It's super healthy. Now you can mix it with pretty much anything, and I'm just gonna show you guys how I've been mixing it. I also have a link down below where you can get a discount if you want to try it. And you can also use my code MEGANM25 if you spend about $29, and then you can get 25% off your purchase. So I think that's a good deal, you know. I love getting stuff on sale. I don't know about y'all. All right, so I just wanted to go ahead and get out all the ingredients. Here is that Teamy Green Superfood blend, and this is what the container looks like. I'm gonna be using some lemon juice in my smoothie, some almond milk as like the base, and then some pineapples. These were just canned pineapples in 100% juice. I just, had already opened the can, and I'm not gonna leave it in the can, Okay, so first I start with a scoop of the green superfood powder, then I add some lemon juice, and then I add a half a cup of pineapples. I was struggling to put them in the measuring cup, so I ended up spooning them in there. I do this just to measure out a serving, and then I pour in some almond milk, and then I blend that in my NutriBullet. And there is a little bit of like the matcha that stuck to some of the sides, and so I just got a spoon and kind of scraped those just to make sure that it was evenly distributed throughout the smoothie. And now I'm pouring it in my Teamy Blends tumbler. That was my smoothie recipe. It's really more like a thicker juice, but I still call it a smoothie. But I'm putting it in my Teamy tumbler, and this is in the color mint. I really like this. It doesn't leak, it's really easy to clean, and it comes with this little piece for when you want to drink tea, and then you can put the loose leaves of the tea on top and then just throw it in here. And you can put hot and cold stuff in this container, which I really like. And I also really love the strap. So if you're interested in any of the Teamy products that I've tried and shown you, or any of the other ones, I will have it linked down below, as well as a discount code. So let's try this smoothie juice. Smoothie juice. Oh, it's good. It has a little pizzazz from the lemon juice, but it's really good. The superfoods blend, it is not sweet, so if you like stuff super sweet, I recommend adding like a sweetener to it when you mix it with things. It has like an earthy taste. I think it's good though, but it does have like a kind of earthy, it's not sweet. I did want to put that out there because some matcha is sweet. I guess that's the sweetened matcha. This one is not sweet. Right guys, I'm back, and I drank all of my juice smoothie, and I'm hungry again. It's only been like 30 minutes. I guess like today, like normally I've been drinking it and it keeps me full like while I'm at work, but I wonder if it's just because I'm at work so I'm not really thinking about food. But I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna make me like, I guess this is still a part of breakfast. Breakfast kind of snack sort of thing. That's what I'm about to make now. Okay guys, so now I'm about to use a wine glass and make sort of like a yogurt parfait kind of thing. Okay, so I'm gonna be using this Chobani blueberry Greek yogurt. I'm gonna be using the strawberries. These were just some strawberries I had in like, I like to go ahead and put my fruit and stuff in meal prep containers just to make it easier for me to eat like on my lunch breaks and stuff. And then I'm using this coconut superfoods granola. It's gluten-free. I just found it at Aldi. And yeah, I'm about to just put that in this cute wine glass. I just kind of still wanted something sweet with my breakfast to kind of go with the smoothie since it's so close. And yeah, so I'm about to put this together and we're gonna see how it turns out. So first, I just cut up the strawberries into like 3 or 4 pieces and I add those to the bottom of the wine glass, and that's just going to be the first layer. I will say also that you should use a smaller wine glass. I mean, I picked like the biggest wine glass ever, but it's okay. Next, I get my Chobani yogurt and I just mix it all up just to make sure everything's evenly distributed, and then just add the yogurt. I was trying to make it cute, so that's why I ended up changing the rim of the glass, but you know, just pour it in there however you'd like. And that's just the second layer with the yogurt. And now I added half a serving. I used 1/4 cup of the granola and just put that on top. And so here is the finished look. Yay! Alright you guys, so here's my yogurt parfait kind of, well, that's the part that I smudged, but with the strawberries and chocolate granola. So let's try it. I'm excited, you know. It's good. Yeah, I normally don't eat stuff like that. I feel like that would be like a really good dessert too. It's like a healthier ice cream kind of thing, because it's got fruit and granola. So yeah, I definitely will be eating more of that, and probably like for dessert. So I definitely recommend you try that. So yay, this is a cool what I eat today. All right you guys, I'm at Taziki's. Excuse my dirty windows, but I'm just doing a pickup order, so I'm about to go in and pick it up, and I'm getting lunch for Mom and I. Yay! So in here we've got, is this 4 things of rice? You got 4? Oh my gosh, that's so exciting. Here's some, that's really exciting. Anyway, here's hummus and the soft pita. All right, and then this is like, it has a salad, and I think these are like Mommy's veggies. And then in here, this one I think is mine because I got the lamb. Yeah, that's mine. And then there's a little salad. Okay. And then in here, we just got chocolate cakes. Both of us got one. So here's the rice. I'm trying it. That's good. And the salad. So basically, I got lamb, a salad, and basmati rice. And then we also got a side of hummus and pita. And then there's also chocolate cake. I know I said I was gonna be healthy. Maybe I won't eat it today. We'll see. All right, but I'm gonna eat lunch now. Yay! All right, you guys, it is now dinner time. All right, you guys, so for dinner, I'm going to be having a sweet potato, a grilled pork chop, and some broccoli. So those are the main ingredients. So I'm just about to set my camera up, and we're gonna get started with this meal. Okay, so first I just spray the skillet with a coconut spray, and then I add the frozen broccoli. I also add some olive oil and some sea salt, and then I just saute the broccoli, let it steam with the thing over it. Now I use my George Foreman grill. I spray that again with that same coconut oil spray, and then I season the pork chop with this steak seasoning that I got from Aldi. Tastes really good on things. And now the broccoli has just been steaming for a while. I have it on medium high. And with the pork chop, I'm just letting it like cook. And with the George Foreman grill, it doesn't have a specific setting, so I just let it do what it does. And now I'm flipping it over, adding some more seasoning to that side, checking on the broccoli again just to see how it's cooking. It's doing well. Added a little more salt. And now with my sweet potatoes, I actually baked these ahead of time. So I just peel one specifically, and then I'm just gonna put that in the microwave for about 2 minutes. And then I check on my pork chop again just to see how it's doing. It's almost done. The broccoli is also done now. So I'm just checking on the pork chop to make sure it's almost done. Now I'll just plate my food. With the sweet potato, I just mash it up after I've cooked it. I add a little butter, maybe a little sea salt, and then I just put the pork chop and the broccoli onto the plate as well. And that was my super quick dinner I made in about 15 minutes. I have finished my food. Yay! I did an up close for you guys earlier, but I just wanted to do a quick taste test of everything. To me, sweet potatoes, I like them really simple, just a little butter. Sometimes I'll add a little salt. That's it. Very good. And the broccoli, also good. And then for the pork chop, I cut off a piece with a knife so I wouldn't, try to bite into it on camera. Very good. Alright, you guys, that was the end of this What I Eat in a Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did want to do a few more of these because I got a few requests to do it, but this is just what I ate. Sometimes that's why I don't really do these all the time, because I try to eat healthy, but like sometimes it doesn't work out that way. But yeah, this is what I ate today. Let me know down in the comments below some things you are eating, and if you enjoyed some of these meals that I ate. Also, again, I will link down below if you want to look into purchasing some of the Teeny Blend stuff, and I will also have the coupon code down below. And yeah, I just hope everyone is doing well during this social distancing time. I wish you all the best, and just let me know how you're doing down in the comments. So if you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in my next one. I love you guys. Bye.